I'm back with another video on this hair. So last video I bleached it. I bleached all the knots. This video is just gonna be a plucking video. I only plucked this side. I did not pluck this side. So I'm gonna show you the difference. It's relatively thin. I might have over plucked on this side, but you know, it's fine because it's probably gonna be baby hair anyway. It's probably gonna turn into baby hair anyway. So the difference in the hairline, this part right here is very dense. Like this part right here, this triangle right here is so full, would not match my hairline whatsoever. This part is very thin. You know, because the middle of my forehead is kind of like, I don't know how to explain it. Right here, I don't have a widow's peak, but right here, I have like a very round hairline, and it's very thin right here. Unless I pull my hair back, it's like very thin in the middle, so this is why the middle is kind of thin here. Yeah, so I'm just showing you. I did pluck the front all around here. I didn't pluck too much on the inside because, yeah, I'm kind of lazy. So I will show you how to pluck a frontal. And the process I take, it's kind of hard to start. Let me also show you how much hair came out of this side. Plucking this side alone, this is how much hair came out. This is a good amount of hair, so don't be afraid that you think that your closure or frontal is balding. When you pluck, a lot of hair is going to come out because it's so dense in the front especially. So I can pull out a good amount of hair from doing the whole side. I'll pull out a lot of hair. I'll also show you how it looks wet, because hair looks like way better wet sometimes. Yeah, so this is going to be way easier to put into baby hairs once you like ready to do your baby hairs. It's just easier when it's thinner. You can't do anything to this side. It's just too much hair to so you can see the difference between this side and that side, and I will show you how to achieve that. So that you cannot see me again, but that is because I still do not know how to do a voiceover. So I need to talk and you need to see at the same time. So I'm just going to talk now and then edit it, whatever. So this is the side that I already plucked. I showed you that all at the beginning of this video, the first clip. I also showed you that at the end, maybe at the end of my bleaching video, I'm not too sure. But this is how it looks. The after, this is the before. I did one side because it did take me a while. I'm just going to do the other side very, very briefly. And yeah, so this is the other side, not plucked, not anything. A lot of long strands, like I had said, but that's okay because I'm going to pluck. I'm just brushing it out, just tangles and whatever. Okay. So, first thing you need is a tweezer. Tweezers. Spray bottle, optional. A comb. And then rubber bands, scrunchies, or clips to hold hair. And that's about it. So what I usually do first, I part it into a triangle. It's just easier to do it in triangles. Part it into a triangle in the front. And yeah, you just put water so the hair like lays the side that you put it on. Because sometimes the hair is all over the place. So just to get out the way. So I have this part, this triangle, It's pretty dense. It's way different than this triangle in the front. I'm probably gonna go in on this one a little bit more right here, but yeah. Take the comb and pull out the ones in the front like this, and you can pluck them from this way and just pluck. You just keep on going into like the density that's really not difficult whatsoever. And go on the next line. Actually, it's good to plug both directions, so you'll cut this way. So just from the front, this is how much hair is out. It gathers up relatively quickly. Like I said, hair is thin. And that's just that. And really, you'll go in sections, line by line, triangle or squares, however you're going to part the hair that you're going to pluck. After that line is done, you're going to part it. Then you're going to pluck forward. Just so you can see the density from the front and the back. Be careful not to like rip the lace by plucking the lace and not the hair. Like make sure you're getting the hair and not the lace. Well, yeah, like I said, the hair gathers up like real quickly. And yeah, already that makes a big difference on how the frontal looks. Not as plucked as the other side. I'm about to get to it. I just want to show you that even like plucking really does make a difference. Like it makes a really big difference. I would say if you're nervous about plucking on something you're actually going to be wearing, yeah, just you can buy like real cheap frontals and just practice. And if they turn out well, buy bundles for the frontal. I mean, either way, I don't feel like it's that much of a loss of money. That's it. That's all you have to do. You can part in any however way you want. Triangle, squares, it really doesn't matter as long as you're doing it evenly and the way that you want. You don't even have to do it evenly. You just take spots, pluck until it looks good to you, and that's it. Another thing, you don't need to plug all into the hair. I would say do the hairline a little bit. More importantly, do behind the hairline. Just so it lays down flat. Everything else, I wouldn't say is all that much of a big deal. Depending on also like how it's styled, you usually wear your hair. I'm a middle part kind of lady, so everything to me, everything else doesn't matter. I am plucking the whole perimeter though, just because I'm making this wig to go to Vegas. I'm gonna do a video all about that. and I just want to look bomb.com. Been to Vegas once before, as we all know, and this time I went with my boyfriend. So yeah, it's gonna look good, you know. We have a little vacation. Not really vacation because we're not on the island or a resort. Just getting lit, partying with somebody I'm comfortable with, my boyfriend. And we're gonna have a good time. But yeah, this process takes a very long time. I'm not gonna do the whole entire frontal on camera because, like I said, it takes a very long time. It takes a very long time. So I'm gonna have to go back and, redo sections and, just a lot of things to do. I really want to get this week started since I have the weekend off finally. So I'm like trying to get this done. I've been sitting on his hair for like 2 or 3 weeks. And I really just want to get this wig done. This is like, it's a lot of work.
Dice on the beat.
Okay, that's about it. What's mostly plucked is from here to here, which is about right. And I am going to pluck this part a little bit more because it's supposed to be the temple part. My drawing of my hairline is a little bit off, but this is about what it's going to look like once I, put it on the unit. I'm more than sure it'll be fine. I did kind of over pluck this side more than this side. But like I said, that's okay because you'll just move it up. This will be baby hair. Really, people think that wigs are hard. They're really not. It's all an illusion. So even if your frontal is bald headed, honestly, there's ways to fix it with makeup. Trust. So thank you for watching. This was a very short video. Let me know if you want to go more in depth. I don't know. I don't usually leave comments. I'm not too sure what people like to see. If they like makeup, if they like hair. I like makeup, but I'm much more acquainted and much more experienced with hair than makeup. So this is why I do more hair stuff on my channel, because I love hair. Yep, as of right now, this is my frontal. Like I said, thank you for watching.
Dice on the beat.